what we're trying out today is one of South Africa's favorite desserts, Malva Pudding. Start off with a big bowl, into that a cup of sugar to start, so it is quite a sweet dessert. Together with it, 2 eggs. And this you then whisk together until it starts getting lighter in color. So something like that. Put that to one side. Then you need to take a cup of milk into a pot just to warm it up a bit. That's the second step. Third step you go to is take a apricot jam, tablespoon of vinegar goes into there, and a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Okay, mix that together, it starts foaming quite a bit, which is exactly what you want. Once it's foaming nicely, you add that mix into your sugar and eggs and give it a good stir. Right, so the milk is warm now, and then also I have just ordinary cake flour. That is going to go into this mix. First a bit of the milk, then some flour, then the rest of the milk, and the rest of the flour again. So half the milk, the flour is about 300 grams, so I'm putting half of that in. Mix it up nicely. The rest of the milk. And finally, the rest of the flour. And as you can see, it's still quite a runny mixture, and that is exactly what you want. Then you find whichever baking tin you want to put it in. I'm using a cake tin in this case, but any dish that goes into the oven is just fine. Into there it goes, and then into an oven at 180 degrees for about 45 minutes. Right, once that comes out of the oven, we need to put a sauce on top of the pudding as well, which makes it a really sticky type of sauce. So into a pot, butter, about 125 milliliters. 250 milliliters of milk, sugar, 125 milliliters, and for a bit of flavor, star anise. Okay. And then I leave on the pot, and that can melt. Once the pudding comes out of the oven, I'm going to pour that on top and let it all soak in. Enjoy. And now that the Malva pudding has come out of the oven, we'll take our sauce and pour it generously all over. And that will stand for about 20 minutes, and it will all soak into the pudding and give it a very rich, very sweet flavor. I hope you enjoy these flavors from South Africa.